welcome to Shrisha's kitchen, the taste of heaven. Today we are going to see how to make a spongy and a flavorsome vanilla cake, and you can make it in just 3 minutes. It is easy to make and yet worth it. So let's see how it is done. So first I'm going to take 100 grams of butter, 40 grams of oil, 160 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now let's blend it all together until they are combined. After they are well combined, I'm going to add 3 eggs with their yolk. We are gonna add one by one. Sorry guys, one of my egg cracked while I opened it. So this is my first egg with the yolk. Now I'm blending it nicely. The second yolk, the broken one, and the third one. Now blend it nicely. So after you have blended, I'm going to add 80 grams of full cream yogurt, 60 milliliters of milk, 250 grams of maida. Let's sieve it nicely. Now 3 tablespoons of baking powder, 1, 2 and 3. Now let's blend it nicely. Guys, look at the consistency. It is thick just like the batter made in shop. Now 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence I'm adding at the last. Give it one last mix and that's it. Guys, if you have baking pan, you can use baking pan. Those who don't have it, I have used oven glass pan. I have buttered it in the sides and at the bottom. I am pouring the batter we have just made. And now it's ready to go inside the oven. Preheat the oven 180 degrees Celsius, and it took me about 35 to 40 minutes. And look guys, our cake is ready. I feel like eating it now itself. I'm poking the toothpick and you can see that nothing is sticking to the toothpick. This shows that our cake is nicely cooked. I am going to enjoy rest of my day by eating this delicious cake. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed our video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Love you guys. Bye bye.